Can we have construction vehicles on site drive over the tank once it's been installed?
Yes, as long as the site do make it up, even if it's only on a temporary basis, as long as the site do make up the cover to a sufficient level to support heavy vehicles. So yes, that is something that can be, has to be considered certainly as construction loading, even if the tank is going to be a pedestrian area and it's finished life, is it going to have construction vehicles driving over it during the rest of the construction process? So you do need to make the tank up to the correct level. Things like that is fine for vehicles driving over it. If there is things like cranes, that is something we need to again calculate if you're going to have cranes or outriggers bearing down on the tank. Something like spreader plates might be required, which will depend very much on the specifications of the crane, what weights it'll be lifting. So yes, it is possible, but again, there is no one answer to that question. We need to look at the information you give us and we'll advise accordingly.